What up, guys? Dude, straight up, here's the thing. Phoenix is one of my favorite spots in the world, and it's the desert, and they have cactuses, cacti. Sorry, guys, I screwed that up. But anyways, I love cacti. If you know me, you know that I love the desert and I love cacti. And I feel like when I'm with cacti, I'm home. And so even though I'm in the Pacific Northwest right now at an Airbnb, this cactus, sorry, makes me feel home. I love the cement pot that it's in, and it's a real cactus that really hurts you. And it just looks so cool. And I think this adds a nice touch to pretty much any interior decoration. This Airbnb's done a really good job, and you can see on this end table right here, it just adds a nice touch, finishes everything off. Got some other plants in here too, but highly recommend getting this.